We're working for Hawaii. You're watching Take Two.
Welcome back. The Department of Health has been investigating cases of whooping cough on the Big Island that they say is not related to travel. Joining us now to tell us more about the highly contagious respiratory infection and how you can protect yourself as well as your family is Dr. Trudy Hong with Straub Medical Center. Aloha and good morning, Dr. Hong. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you for having me.
So first, a lot of people might not know about whooping cough. What is whooping cough?
Yeah, so it's a highly contagious respiratory infection that's caused by the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. And it can start off looking like any other cold. So you can have fever, you can have sneezing, you can have a mild cough. But eventually it can develop into this very severe coughing fit where you cough so hard. And eventually when you're able to take that breath in, you make that high-pitched sound that sounds like the whooping cough. And this cough can last for several weeks to months.
Yeah, scary stuff. What should parents look out for? Yeah,
so it can start, I would definitely watch out for the very prolonged coughing fit. And also, like, some babies can turn blue or stop breathing, which I would call 911 for. If you're concerned, definitely call your doctor.
What are some of the treatments that are available for whooping cough?
Yeah, so the treatment is first call your doctor, and if you're diagnosed with it, it would be antibiotics. And if you are exposed to someone who may have whooping cough, then I would also talk with your doctor because you can get antibiotics to prevent infection yourself and others.
Is there a vaccine available? And if so, who is able to get it?
Yeah, so we usually give the DTaP to children under age 7, and this is a series given before they enter school. You also can get the Tdap at age 11 to 12 as a booster, and every 10 years thereafter. Pregnant women should also get it with each pregnancy so that they can protect their newborns before they can get vaccinated.
If there's somebody who's unsure about their vaccination status, any recommendations on what they can do?
Yeah, I definitely would contact your doctor and just make sure that you can update your vaccines if you're not already.
Okay, great. Great information. Again, seeing measles, whooping cough coming back around, just as a physician, a little unsettling, right?
Yes, for sure. I think just hearing that it's coming up across the nation, also in our islands, I would just definitely talk with your doctor so that you can update your shots before the cases rise and just to protect yourself.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Hong. Appreciate the tips.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.